continuing this with directly where I have stopped. Because of this some problem, I have closed the session immediately. Okay, this is the continuation of that where I have stopped that. Okay, see here, D2C you have reverse direction, so opposite of greater than is less than, so what will take less than here. And C2E again, it's a reverse direction that I am following. For C2E I am going in a reverse direction, it's greater than, so greater than opposite I have to take, which is less than. So less than and less than I am getting, so obviously D and E relation is less than, that I will get in final. Okay, greater than opposite less than, greater than opposite less than, so 2 less than, so obviously D is less than E, so it's correct. So D is less than E, they have asked us, it's correct. So only 2 as a 2 follows as my answer. Okay, next problem also of this using these methods itself, it will be a different model, I'll tell you that. See friends, x is less than y is equals to z less than a, and one more relation is c z b, c is less than z less than b. Okay, and they are asking us to find is x is greater than c and is y is greater than b, they are asking. Okay, so how we will see the common factor that we have in these two equations. First of all, we have a common factor as a z, right? So okay, we have z as a common factor, so with this z, based on this z, we'll try to make the relation between x and c. Okay, see here, x to z, if you go like this, it's forward direction. What we have, less than and equal to. I have told you less than and equal to output will be less than, so less than I have got here, fine. And z to c, how I am going, z to c, z is a common factor here, z I have here, so z to c, how I am going here, z to c in reverse direction I have to go from z to c. So in reverse backward direction, it's not forward direction, it's backward. So as a backward, it's less than symbol I have, so what I'll get, greater than symbol. Here I am getting less than and here I am getting greater than. So less than and greater than, it's a closed path. Then I'll say, what I'll say simply, it's not follows, so it's wrong. Okay, I hope you understand this better. Okay, and next one is also y and b, they are asking. Fine, again z as a common factor, y is equals to z, I have equal symbol here as a output, and z to b, how I am going, z to b, it's less than, so it's forward direction also. So forward direction, same symbol I'll take, equal to and less than, what we will get as a output, less than as a output, right? So y is less than b is my answer, but here they have given y is less than b. No, sorry, it's not right. Okay, so it's wrong. So in this case, what we will take as an answer, both are wrong. So what we'll say here, neither one follow nor two follows, neither nor as my answer I'll choose by seeing the screen itself directly. So it's forward direction less than my output. It's again y2. Okay, first one I'm saying this, x to z less than I am getting, and z to c, reverse direction less than opposite greater than. Here I have got less than and greater than. These two in these two I have told you there is no connection, so it's wrong. Okay, next one I'll see. See here, a is greater than or equal to b equal to c greater than or equal to d, e is greater than or equal to f equal to g greater than or equal to h. Okay, they are asking between a and g, they are asking also ag. See here, this is okay, g I have a and g, I have to find my relation. Fine, is there any common factor between these two? That one I have to find it first. Okay, so what we have here, so what is the common factor that I have here? I have c as a common factor, so based on this c, I have to make the relation between a and g. Fine, what is this relation? This is a to c, how I am going, it's forward direction. So what I'll get as a output, between greater than or equal to and equal to, what is the output I'll get? Greater than or equal to as my output from the first one. Okay, greater than or equal to as the output from the first one. And c to g, how I will go, in forward direction only. So what is the greater than and greater than or equal to? Again my output as greater than or equal to. So if it is greater than or equal to between A and G, it's correct, or in any other relation it's wrong. So what they have given, A is equal to G. Is A is equals to G? No, it's wrong. Is A is greater than G? No, it's greater than or equal to G. So again wrong I have got. So whenever we have two symbols, I mean greater than and greater than or equal to, no, this sign is there na, left hand side and right hand side both, if you have two times same, then there is a chance of getting either or case. Okay, this is a special case that we have to be a bit concentrate. If you see two variables, between two variables two times relation if they will give, there is a chance of occurring either or, but it's not always either or. Sometimes they may confuse you. If you see between two times two variables as the same, equal and less, sometimes if they give less than symbol, even by without seeing itself, if you click on either or, then it will be pakka wrong answer. So concentrate on this. Okay, so what we have, greater than or equal to symbol, if it is there then only it's correct. But what we have, either equal to itself wrong, greater than again wrong, but either any one can be right. So in this case, if it is equal it cannot be greater, if it is greater it cannot be equal. So what we will say, either greater or equal to as my answer. Okay, so see here, either 1 or 2 is my answer, and one more also they have given, A is greater than or equal to G. Yeah, directly we have got greater than or equal to G, it's correct. But in this case what we have to put as the answer is either 3 pakka and either 1 or 2 as my answer. I can't say only 3 as my answer, I can't say only 1 as my answer, only 2 as my answer. I'll say 3 and either 1 or 2 as my answer. Okay, see, if they have given, they might, if they would have given this less than symbol, then I'll pakka say only 3 as my answer. But they have given you greater than, as we are getting greater than or equal to symbol, that's why I'm saying either or as my option. Okay, hope you understand this better without any confusion. See here, they in mains exams or sometimes in preliminary exams also they are giving this model. See, they'll give you some symbols, again with that they will make a relationship like this. Okay, and they'll give these symbols in between variables. Okay, this one is @ means greater than, dollar less than, star greater than or equal to, ampersandile less than or equal to, ash is equal to, they will give. Okay, but they will give in written format, but I have taken it directly. Okay, see here, we will make this table here finally. Okay, less than, what they have given symbol dollar, so I have taken it. Ampersandile less than or equal to, greater than means @ and greater than or equal to as a star, and ash is my equal to symbol. So I have taken, I will make this table before I start itself. Okay, so I have taken the symbol directly by seeing the relation. We have to, and we should be very clear while making symbols before you take any decision. Okay, you have to write these symbols correctly wherever it follow. Okay, and after making this, so they keep it like this. See the solution now. Okay, see the problem and solution now. A star B @ C ash D $E ampersandile H. Okay, fine. And they are asking the relation between AD is A star with D and C is dollar with H. They are asking. Fine. So A and D I'll see. What are the symbol I have? Star @ ash I have. Star @ ash. Where are these symbols? Star @ ash. see the symbols equal to, greater than or equal to. What is my output with these three? I'll get star, I mean this one greater than or greater than symbol as my output. So between this A and D, what is my output? It's ampersandile. So I mean this is @ as my output between A and D. So what they have given, but it's star they have given, so it's wrong. I'll take, so it's wrong. What I am getting, it's, if this is they'll give, then it's correct, but they have given this star, so it's wrong. I'll take. And between C and H they are asking. So C and H, ash, dollar, ampersandile, ash, dollar, ampersandile. If you have these three, what is my output? I mean less than is my output, so dollar is my output as they have given. If they have given dollar as my answer, then it is correct. Between C and H, dollar is the output, so it's my correct answer. This is how we will follow this rule. Okay, forward direction. So anyways there is no reverse direction, so obviously forward, so it's dollar is my correct answer. See one more problem. A dollar, B ampersandile, C ash D, P at D ash H star F. Okay, A is dollar with P, D is @ F, D is ash F. They are asking. Okay, so how we will solve this, we will see now. Okay, see what is the common factor that we have in these two, that we have to check first. D is my common factor that I have, so with this D is based on the D, I'll make a relationship between these two. Okay, whatever they will ask between these two equations, whatever. Okay, based on the D itself I will say. Okay, A and P they are asking. See here, A to D, what are my relation? It's forward direction. What is symbol? Dollar, ampersandile, ash, dollar, ampersandile, ash, ampersandile, dollar, ash. Dollar is my answer. So what I am getting from this, till D with A I have dollar as my answer, and D to A to P. So D to P we will take. D to P, it's reverse direction. Ampersandile @ I have, so I have to take @ opposite symbol. What is @ opposite symbol? @ opposite symbol is my dollar. So I have got dollar as my first output and dollar again. So $2 I have. So between $2 means what is my option? Less than is the, what is my option is less than. So dollar is my dollar only. So A and P will follow. Dollar means A is less than P will follow. So it is correct. So and next one we will see. D and F @ ash they are asking. D and F. Okay, so here itself we have the there is no need of making a relationship again. So D to F I am having forward direction. Ash @ I have. So what is this? Ash and star output I have. See, ash and star, what is the output that I'll get? Star as my output, I mean that is greater than or equal to as my output. Equal to, greater than or equal to, output is my greater than or equal to. So star as my output that I'll have. What is this here? They are saying is D to F they are asking. Is D to F is @ means what is the @ symbol? Is greater than, and next one is ash, that is equal they are saying. But what I am getting, D to F star as my answer, but they are giving D to F @ means is D is greater than F? No, wrong. D is equal to F? No, wrong. But what we have, D star with F, that is greater than or equal to. So whenever we have two wrongs and two variables are same, so it is this greater than or equal to? Yes, either greater or equal. So that is the reason why I have either greater or equal. And what I'll choose my answer, 1 and either 2 or 3 as my answer. If you like my session, please like it. Okay, click on like and please for latest updates and new tricks subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.